If you want to change your clock style on your lock screen, on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do so. First of all, we have to hold our finger on the blank space. On your home screen, press on your wallpapers and style option. Now tap on your lock screen. And now you can see the editable parts of it. So first of all, choose your clock. And here you can see different font and colors. And also you can choose a style. It can look like this, like this, like this, like this, or even like this if you like it this way, right? As for me, I'll stick with this style. Now we can choose whether we want to show the information or not. We can also show a date above the clock or to show data below the clock. Once again, font colors are adjustable. You can make them thinner or bolder if the clock style allows you to do that. And basically that is it. All right, I'll stick with this one and let's use this color. Yeah, all right. Now when you're satisfied, press done. And those changes were successfully applied. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.